Hi airdrop hunters, welcome to airdrop spot. So today's video is task 9 on Venom Testnet, and in task 9 we'll be interacting with Numi. Numi is an NFT marketplace on the Venom blockchain. So we are going to tap on complete task to begin. So here is the task page, and our first requirement is to watch Numi video on YouTube. So we are going to tap on that arrow towards the right to go to their YouTube channel, and we are going to have to watch the video. And here is Numi video. Make sure you watch the video till the end so that you can learn more about what Numi is all about. And when you are done watching the video, you will come back to the task page and then tap on check to confirm if you have done the interaction rather. The next thing we want to do is we are going to tweet about Numi. So tap on that pen icon to go to Twitter. You don't have to worry about what to post because the message has been curated for you. All you need to do is tap on post to make the post on Twitter. And when you are done, you are going to come back to the task page. Tap on the tweet button to confirm if you have done the interaction. Okay, the next item on the list is we are going to have to buy an NFT on Numi website. So you tap on that website I circled. Remember to switch your browsing mode to desktop mode so that you can be able to connect your wallet. The website might take a while to load, so you have to be patient. So these are collectibles that you can buy on Numi marketplace. We can see shirt, shorts, and footwear. So I'll be going for one of the footwears. I'll be going for citrus slice. Now to buy the footwear, you're going to tap on buy for 5 Numi. But first of all, you need to be signed in to Numi Marketplace. So if you have an account previously, tap on login. If you don't have an account previously, switch to the sign up tab and enter your details. You need to enter your username, your preferred username, email address, password, and also check the 2 boxes down there. Check the 2 boxes right here and finally tap on sign up. So I'll be entering my credentials right now, and when I'm done I'll tap on sign up. Now that I am logged into the website, I can now tap on buy for 5 Numi. Connect your wallet and sign in. Sign your wallet, but before you sign, I forgot to enter my password, so I'll be doing that right now. Now tap on the buy button once more. Then you have to complete checkout. But remember, I said it costs 5 Numi to buy each of the collectibles, but we do not have Numi tokens. So what are we going to do? We need to swap from Venom Testnet to Numi tokens. We are going to do that in Web3 world. You're going to tap on that web address at the place where I circled right there. That will take us to Web3 world where we'll be conducting the swap. Remember to switch your browsing mode to desktop, then connect your wallet. Choose Venom Chrome extension. Now that your wallet is connected, you are going to indicate the amount of Venom that you want to swap to Numi. I'll be swapping 7 and that will give me 6.2 Numi tokens. That's enough to buy the NFT we wanted to buy. So I'll tap on the swap button. I'll tap on confirm. I'll tap on confirm again. Our transaction has been sent to the blockchain, but we are going to wait until it is successful before going back to Numi Marketplace. Currently pending. Good, our transaction is successful. Now we can go to Numi Marketplace and complete buying the NFT. So we are back to Numi Marketplace and I'll complete checkout right now. We now have Numi tokens, so I'll just tap on buy for 5 Numi. I'll confirm the transaction in my wallet. I'll wait until the buying process is complete. Now we have been able to buy an NFT on Numi Marketplace, and if you want to be able to see the list of NFTs that you bought, come to the top of your screen, tap on that icon, that circle right there. Then go to inventory, go to the inventory tab, and you are going to see a list of NFTs that you are holding. This is the citrus lights that we just purchased. So that is all for the interaction with Numi Marketplace, and after this we are going back to our testnet website. We are back to our task page, so I'm going to tap on check to confirm if our transaction is successful. It is successful, so lastly we are going to mint an NFT. I'll tap on mint, I'll confirm transaction. Minting in progress. Minting successful. So we are going back to our testnet website, our project website. And in the next video, we are going to be interacting with Yelide. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, don't forget to drop me a comment. Hit the subscribe button if you are finding value in my content. See you in the next video.